Moving to the next problem for Gauss elimination method. Problem number 5. Solve the following system of equations by Gauss elimination method. The equations are 3x plus y minus z is equals to 3, 2x minus 8y plus z is equals to minus y, and x minus 2y plus 9z is equals to 8. Now you write solution. The augmented matrix for given system of equations. System of equation is, we'll write so 3 1 minus 1 3, 3 1 minus 1 3, next 2 minus 8 1, 2 minus 8 1 and minus 5. Third equation from it is 1 minus 2 9 8 it is. This is the augment matrix. Next, if in leading number, if it is 1 is there, so it is easier to solve the problem. So we interchange R1 and R3. Interchange R1 to R3. So leading number must be 1. Shift this row, third row to first. So it is 1 minus 2 9 8. Next second row as it is 2 minus 8 1 minus 5, and third row is here shifting 3 1 minus 1 minus 3. Now make these three numbers below leading number. Leading number is 1, so make this 0, this one 0 0. Make this 0 by operating row. So first R2, so R2 minus R1, 2 minus 1 1, we don't get 0, so 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, so it will be now 0, R2. Next simultaneously operation on R3. So R3 is again R3 minus R1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, so we will get 2 here. We don't need 2 here, we need 0, so it is 3 minus 3, that means 3 into 1, 3 R1 you make, so you will get 0 here. This is number 3. So matrix becomes, so first row as it is 1 minus 2 9 8. Second one R2 is 2 minus 2 0. So minus 8 minus 8 and minus of minus 2. 2 into 2 4, minus 8 plus 4, so it becomes minus 4. Next 1 into 2, 9 to the 18, 1 minus 18, so minus 17. Next minus 5, 2 into 8 16, minus 5 minus 16, so it becomes minus 21. And third row now, R3 minus 3R1, R3 minus 3R1, so it is 0, 1, minus of minus, it becomes 3 into 2 6, 1 plus 6 7, next minus 1, minus 1, 9 3 is 27, minus 1, minus 27, minus 28, next 3 minus 8 3 is 24, 3 minus 24, so it will be minus 20, 21. Next we need to change this one number. This number is 0. We got this here 0 0, now this 0. It is not possible to convert this 0 easily because 7 minus 4 is there, 7 minus double 8, 7 minus 8, so still we are not getting here 0. So fraction is coming, so we will make here one change. R3, these numbers are same, 7 7 4 are 21, 7 3 are 20, so R3 we will make R3 divided by 7, then augmented matrix AB is equals to only operation on R3, so it becomes as it is 1 minus 2 9 8 0 minus 4 minus 17 minus 21, and R3 by 7, 0 divided by 7 is 0, 7 divided by 7 is 1, minus 28 divided by 7 is 7 4 is 28, minus 4 here divided by 7, so it is 7 3 is 21. Now we can easily make this as a 0 on operating R3. It is, we'll make here minus symbol is there, R3 plus R2. R3 is 1, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, we cannot get 0, make here R3 is a 4, now 4 minus 4 it is a 0, next it is other rows are as it is, 0 minus 4 minus 17 minus 21, we are operating only R3, so it becomes 4 into 0 plus 0, so it is 0. Now 4 into R3, 4 into 4, 4 into 1 4, 4 minus 4, so we got here 0. Next 4 4 is 16, minus 16 minus 17, so it is minus 33. Next 4 3 is 12, minus 12 minus 21, again it is minus 33. Now we are going to get final answer here. From third row, x 0x 0y minus 33z, so it is minus 33z is equals to minus 33. This implies z is equals to minus 33 divided by minus 33, so z is equals to 1. Next from second row, 0x minus 4y minus 17y is equals to minus 21. This implies minus 4y is equals to minus 21 plus 17y. This is equals to minus 21 plus 17y. Y is how much? So it is 4y, 17 z it is. x y z. So x y z 17z. So it is definitely 17z. So z is nothing but 1. So minus 21 plus 17. So it is 4. So minus 4 it is. Minus sign is there. So minus 4y is equals to. So y is equals to minus 4 divided by minus 4. It is equals to again 1. Y also we got as a 1. And from first row, so 1x, x minus 2y plus 9z is equals to 8. This implies x is equals to 8 plus 2y minus 9z. So it is 8 plus 2y minus 9 into z is 1. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 9 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. So thus required solution for xyz, x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1 and z is equals to also 1. Very important problem, so many times asked in engineering level. Hope you understood this problem. We can also check from KLC what answer we are going to get when three equations are given. Simply press mode button 3 times. 1 2 3 equation, it is 1. Next unknowns 2 or 3 unknowns are there, so 3 unknowns. Next a1 is asking a1, press 3 is equals to, next 1 is equals to c1 minus 1 is equals to 3 is equals to a2. a2 is 2 equals to, now b2 is minus 8 equals to c2 is 1 equals to d2 is minus 5. Next a3 is 1 equals to minus 2. Next 9. Next d3 8. So answer you are getting x is equals to 1. Check here, x is equals to 1. So we got here x is equals to 1. Next again press equal to sign, y is equals to 1. Next z is equals to 1. In this way also you can check your answer, but here it is asked Gauss elimination method. You cannot use direct method. You have to solve like this row operation method. So you can check your answer by this KLC also.